In this video, I will show you how to clear cached, temporary, and junk files in Windows 11. First, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and press Enter. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files, then delete them. If Windows asks for administrator permission or some files can't be deleted, simply select Skip. Next, open Run again and type %temp%. Press Enter. Select all the files with Ctrl plus A and delete them. Skip any files that can't be removed. After that, open Run again and type prefetch. Press Enter, allow permission if requested, select all the files and delete them. Once you're done, open the recycle bin and empty it to permanently remove the deleted files. Finally, open Run again and type clean mgr, then press Enter. Select the drive where Windows is installed, click OK, choose the files you want to remove, and click OK to start the cleanup. And that's how you can clear temporary, cached, and junk files in Windows 11.